Welcome. If you want to make your Facebook page visible to everyone, no matter their age, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to show your page to people of all ages using Facebook on your PC, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, find and select the page you want to manage. After you enter your page, click on the page's profile photo at the top left. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, it's time to adjust your settings. Look for the menu on the left side and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded options. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Follower and Public Content. This section controls who can see and interact with your page. Next, scroll down until you find the Age Restrictions option. Click on it, and you'll see several choices for who can view your page. To make your page visible to everyone, select Public. This removes any age restrictions, allowing people of all ages to access your content. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your Facebook page is now set to be visible to everyone, regardless of their age. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.